Welcome back to Legendary Machine, the channel where power, precision, and perfection meet. Today, we're diving into the future of Italian engineering, the 2026 Ferrari F80. This car isn't just another hypercar, it's Ferrari's bold statement of dominance in design, performance, and innovation. Let's start with what your eyes first meet, the exterior. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is pure aerodynamic art sculpted with passion. Every line, every curve, every vent has a purpose. The body is crafted from ultra-light carbon fiber reinforced with titanium elements, creating a perfect balance of strength and agility. The silhouette is sleek, low-slung, and aggressive, yet it remains unmistakably Ferrari. The front fascia features an angular nose, razor-sharp LED headlights, and an extended splitter that channels airflow with precision. Side air intakes are massive, emphasizing both aesthetics and function, feeding the hybrid powertrain the cooling it demands. From the side profile, the F80's elongated roofline flows seamlessly into a dramatic rear end. The signature Ferrari design language evolves here, muscular yet minimal. At the rear, a floating spoiler adjusts dynamically depending on speed and driving conditions. The taillights, slim and laser-like, stretch across the rear panel, framing a diffuser that looks like it was designed for a spaceship. The overall design screams speed even when standing still. The 20-inch front and 21-inch rear forged alloy wheels hug the road, wrapped in ultra-performance Pirelli tires. Every millimeter of this car has been designed with aerodynamic efficiency in mind, producing immense downforce and stability at high speeds. Now, when we talk about Ferrari, performance isn't just expected, it's legendary. The 2026 Ferrari F80 takes performance to an entirely new level. Under the rear glass lies a next-generation twin-turbo V8 hybrid engine paired with electric motors. The total combined output is jaw-dropping, around 1,200 horsepower. The power is delivered through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that shifts faster than the blink of an eye, 0 to 100 km per hour. Just 2.1 seconds. Top speed, over 400 km per hour. Yes, you heard that right, this machine crosses the 400 mark, placing it among the world's fastest cars ever built. The hybrid system isn't just about speed, it's about control. Ferrari's new E-Performance architecture allows instant torque from the electric motors, eliminating turbo lag and enhancing acceleration. The regenerative braking system recovers energy efficiently, keeping the car's balance perfect through corners. Ferrari's advanced torque vectoring system and adaptive suspension ensure precision handling, whether you're attacking a racetrack or cruising through winding mountain roads. And let's not forget the sound, the signature Ferrari roar. Even with hybrid technology, the engineers made sure the exhaust delivers a symphony that thrills your soul. The F80's exhaust note transitions from a deep growl at idle to an earth-shaking scream at full throttle. It's an auditory masterpiece. Step inside, and you'll discover Ferrari's approach to modern minimalism. The interior is focused entirely on the driver. The cockpit wraps around you like a fighter jet, featuring a digital instrument cluster that adapts dynamically to your driving mode. The steering wheel is packed with controls, drive modes, suspension settings, and even turn signals, all at your fingertips. Carbon fiber dominates the dashboard, complemented by Alcantara and premium leather. The seats are ultra-light racing buckets offering both comfort and support. It's not luxury for show, it's functional elegance built for speed. Every detail inside the F80 is about enhancing connection between driver and machine. Even the infotainment system is redesigned for simplicity, with a small but sharp central screen that prioritizes performance data over distractions. It's pure Ferrari DNA, purposeful, intense, and passionate. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is more than a car, it's a vision of the future. It blends the ferocity of a hypercar with the intelligence of next-gen hybrid technology. It's fast, beautiful, and unmistakably Italian. Ferrari continues to prove that innovation and emotion can coexist in perfect harmony.